Alright, so you come as soon as they reach. Alright, fine. Alright, good. Thank you. Good.
What time she said she reach?
She said 20 minutes time.
Can't wait for her, you know. You go for Altamat now?
Eh?
You go for Altamat now?
You want to go after my come back? Yeah.
We don't really want to waste no time, you know. We can
Come.
sit on yourself for 20 minutes.
Eh? Come go after my.
Come, do.
We can come?
Oh, we can come on, sir.
So we'll come back here when she said 20
So
minutes
she'll come
time.
back.
Alright, yeah. That's all comedy.
You can come on.
Thank you.
River water, this one? Yeah, river water. What kind of just turn it on?
Turn it on. Turn on the river water.
I just feel kind of irritating, so she put away here.
Oh, so now access to lock it off.
Yeah, so lock it off. So the water from solar river
So how do you want to come from?
See nothing. Let's see.
I told him. I'm like this. You're in KG. In KG.
Crocs. Hi guys, I am so tired. I'm turning the AC because I am also very hot. So we just visited Straun Castle, and for me it's a no because the venue is nice, but I don't think it is appropriate for like a wedding function. So back to the drawing board with trying to find a venue. It's till my face break out. Like I've been eating chocolate for a good little while, like straight, and it's like the whole of my face break out. I'm so disappointed. Into another place, but we didn't get the tour like what we wanted. We have to go back next week, so hopefully next week we can secure a venue so that we can start issuing invitations. So that's one thing crossed off my list. The next thing that I'm going to do is to get a journal. I'm actually at the bookstore. I was gonna go to the pharmacy and buy one, but I think I can get a nice one at the bookstore. So that's not her here. I'm gonna go to the bookstore and see if I can get one, and then to get the supplies, and then what was the other thing I had to do? Yeah, to get the vision board supplies and the journal, and then I'm gone. I'm tired. When I tell you the sun is like sucking the life force out of me, I am so tired. I am so tired, and I'm glad I didn't wear the makeup, because I would have been like hot and miserable at the same time. Plus me dehydrated now, so I need to come get my yard. So I'm gonna get it and come back. Hi guys, so I'm back collecting supplies for my vision board, and I'm just gonna show you a few items that I got. Just a few. Alright, so this is the cardboard that I got. I had to get cardboard. I don't know anywhere in Jamaica that sells like a board to do like vision boarding stuff on. So I had to buy this cardboard. It's cost $60. So if you're in Jamaica and you're interested in creating a vision board, you can get it at Sangster's bookstores for $60. And I got a white cartridge paper to go on it, so because I wanted my vision board to be white, so I can see everything with up on it. Yeah, I also got a glue stick, nothing serious. I don't remember much for this, but it was cheap to maybe $100 for this Snow Peak. I don't know if it's a good brand. And guess what I saw? I saw a book in Sangster's that I was very interested in buying. It's called Crushing It, and it's from Gary Vaynerchuk. And I was very interested in buying this book, but I wanted to buy it online. So because I have been, thank you. Why are we playing this game? Yeah, because I have been procrastinating in buying the book. I saw it at the bookstore and I decided to get it. It costs $2,570, maybe about $30 in the US. So I don't know if I get it on a deal or what, but I really pay for when I purchased it here. I keep procrastinating, saying I'm gonna buy it, and I never do. So I saw the book and I decided to get it. And I also saw this book, The Magic of Thinking Big, and I decided to get it also. I think it would really help me change my mindset, because I want to change my mindset. Even though I think I have a good mindset though, but I need to change my mindset. So right now I am looking for magazines to buy, and I think I have a scissors at home, so I should be good where that is concerned. So right now I'm gonna go to another place. I'm gonna see if I can get something to drink, because I am so thirsty. I almost feel like, you know, I'm gonna pass out. So I'm gonna go to the next place and see if I can get something to drink and get a magazine to buy, because I don't see magazines anywhere. I didn't see any in the bookstore. I don't know if magazines still are sell. Me don't know. So I'm gonna see if I can get it now. Alright guys, I want you to know that I reached home. I know I didn't tell you guys, I'm sorry, but I reached home. I'm tired. The sun suck me energy out. So I didn't get to buy any magazines, and I didn't get to buy the journal. I didn't see any journals that I like, so I might just have to use like my phone to do the journaling. If you guys know of any good journals that you like, you can always leave the suggestions down below. I'm looking for a good journal. And I didn't get to buy any magazines. I don't know if people still make magazines, but I didn't see any on the stands. I didn't see any anywhere. I don't know what's going on. So if I don't get any magazines, I'll have to take the images from my computer, like Google or Pinterest or something. So that's that. And yeah, I might make my vision board on YouTube, I might not. Who knows? Let me know if you want to see my vision board on YouTube. Anyways, I'll catch you guys later.